Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making the famous paneer butter masala in a very easy and simple way. So let's quickly look at the ingredients. Here I am taking 400 grams of paneer or cottage cheese, then 4 medium sized onion finely chopped, 3 tomatoes sliced into pieces, 5-6 flakes of garlic, then 1 inch of ginger, or either you can take ginger garlic paste, and then 5-6 pieces of cashew nut and a capsicum sliced into pieces, then 2 tablespoons of oil and some coriander leaves. We are taking a pinch of kasuri methi and a pinch of cumin seeds, 3 green chilies and 2 tablespoons of butter, and then we are taking 1 tablespoon ghee, and the rest of the ingredients will be said while cooking. So let's begin. So first of all, in a hot pan we have taken 1 tablespoon of ghee and let it melt. So now we will add our ingredients one by one. So first we will add the onions into the pan. And then kasuri methi, then cumin seeds, and our 3 green chilies. Then to this we will add ginger, garlic, and cashew nuts. Now sort it well. Now to this we will add 2 tablespoons of oil, and then sort it well. Meanwhile, here's a small tip to get soft paneer. We are adding the paneer to warm water. So now we can see the ingredients in the pan is sorted well. I have added 2 more tablespoons of oil, so if you want you can add accordingly. Now into this I'll add the tomatoes. Again sort it until the tomatoes blend into the mixture. So after sorting, we can transfer the mixture into the bowl. So now we will add some water into the mixture and let it cool for 15 minutes. Now we will transfer the mixture into a jar to grind. And then grind it well. So here we can see the mixture has been grinded into a paste. So now I am taking 2 tablespoons of butter into a hot pan. I am taking a bigger utensil for more gravy. So now into this I am adding the paste. Now sort it well. And I'm adding half tablespoon of salt. You can add salt according to your taste. And now mix it well. So now we'll add capsicum into this. And mix it well. And now we'll add masalas into this. A pinch of turmeric powder. Now half tablespoon of chili powder. As we have already added 3 green chilies. And now 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. And now mix it well. So now we can see our mixture is sorted well. So for gravy, we will add 2 cups of water. So we have added 2 cups of water and now let it boil. Now you can see our gravy has come to boil. At this point you can taste the gravy and add masalas according to your taste. So now we can add our main item, the paneer pieces, into the gravy. Give it a good mix and let it boil again. And now we will add half teaspoon of garam masala and mix it well. So our hot paneer butter masala is ready to be served. Now let's garnish it with coriander leaves and butter. So if you like the recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Enjoy. Bye bye.